Alright, so this right here, no más, espérese. This goes in there. So we just had my dad pull everything that way to the front so I could get this stupid screws out. This goes in there, and the end here, let me see, there's a better shot right there. See, this shaft, it's what goes right in there. So now we got to get the front, but I think it'll come out right now. Let me see. Yep, there it goes. So once the back is done, this comes off. Shaft is out. So that's out. Now we gotta get this stupid thing out because this Allen is what holds it to the shaft right there. So we just gotta get those. The only difference is in the front ones, I don't know why we have Allens here. We have these on the back. So I gotta look for my Allens, but there you go. Alright, working on the front one's a bit trickier because you gotta use the I have the impact just to loosen the Allen, but there's a nut on the back. It's a 12, but as long as you loosen that, then you can use your fingers to get in there because I don't have a bendable wrench, just a straight one, and you can't really get into it unless you have a nice angle there. So that's how that one is in the front, and there comes out this piece of junk. So if you look at all the rubber pieces, they're all done. These things are junk. Don't use this on any. This is what you'll find on Amazon and on the eBay. We actually got this at a auto parts place. But anyway, there you go. So for the front, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Allen. Not like this one. And remember, we were using what we got with that other kit. So if you don't want to have like different ones, maybe you want to get a new kit of these. But we're just gonna reuse them because it's what we got. And man, these things are like literally just coming out. Look, it just rips out. Terrible. So we finally got the Allens on this side, and then you have this piece here, and then the nut. This is the front side. This one's a little harder because there is a weight on this one, so I use the impact a little bit on number 1 just to make sure it was tight. And then these, you can see we have them like this because they need to go inside the other end, and that goes in there. And then we have these that hold it. These are Allen as well. I don't know why we have a bunch of Allens, but and then there is a nut on the back, but these are a pain in the ass because you gotta put a 12 millimeter on the back. So the front one's gonna be a little harder to put because of the nut, but the back, it's already done as well. So the nuts on the front, Allen's on the back, that other piece is right there, and then these go on here, and there is a thread on the rear side. The front ones don't have it, but the back ones, the rear side does. So I think we're good to go. We're gonna try it. So we gotta go back and take that front one off because Even if you push it, you can't get in, so you gotta set that one on this first, the front ring, and then we should be able to put the back one on. But yeah, you gotta get the first disc in here first, because it won't let you go through this two pieces, even if you lift the whole thing here, just not letting you do it. So that's no fun. So now we're taking this back out, but this thing's got stuck in here. Alright, so we took this one out, and now on the metal, we're just, this little metal has a seat on the other side, so that's why it is holding the way it should be. But since there are no threads, this one comes out right on the back. So I'm going to do the other three. Let me see here, hang on. Let me turn this. Yeah, it's right here on the top one. I just want to put the bolt in just so I know which one to switch. Right there. And then one more right here. So it's this one here. So now that that's there, I need to get this puppy on the back, and this is a pain in the you know what, because there's hardly any space, but there it is. First one in, and next goes in the nut. So let me turn it this way. I think I have more space here. So this is alright. So I'm gonna stop here because I can't. I need both hands. Okay. This goes to the front, not the back. The back is just a nut. So I gotta put that on here. Okay, got the nut there. So let me do the other ones. And the back, and then we tighten it. Okay, finally got him on there. I just gotta get him tightened, but we're gonna check and make sure everything else fits.